Folks, thanks for sticking around. UB here at St.Albert Dodge, located at 1155 St.Albert Trail. It's a bit of a windy day outside, but it's always a beautiful day on the inside. Today I'd like to show you this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude. I really love the LED lights. I love the blackout appearance group. We get our black recovery hooks, very nice. I love the grille with the features. Just brings out, and look at that Jeep, how nice it shows up on the hood there. We come on around, we got some nice aggressive tires, nice black 20s on there. This thing is a key proximity. So there we go, we lock. And she's locked. She'll come open. Probably got the lock button held down. But you come on back, get our wheels on the back. It's very impressive, like the black logling. This thing's, you got your backup sensors here. Push the button, your gate goes up. Also, this thing comes equipped with a towing package. Hit it again, let's go on the inside. Hey folks, thanks for sticking around, checking out the interior of this Altitude 2020 Grand Jeep Cherokee. This thing is absolutely beautiful. The previous owner took great care of it. You can tell by just looking at the interior. Very well maintained, power locks, power windows. You got a gas cap down here, hit that button, it unlocks the back there. We got our toggle switches back here on your left for your radio and the right for your volume. Very low kilometers for 2020, folks, 13,736. We got our Bluetooth capability, we got our cruise control, we got our 8.4-inch screen. Love this little hideaway here, so if you're out and about, summer's coming, just slide your wallet on in there, lock it up, walk it up, lock it up, and no one can see it. The tongue tied there. Start and stop. This thing parallel parks itself. Eco mode, and lots of space. But wait, look, we got a sunroof, folks. Very rarely found. It's always a great day, folks, down here at St.Albert Dodge. Come on down, check out these Jeeps. We got lots of inventory. What looks even better is you behind the wheel. We'll see you soon.